All right, folks, so it's the next day. It's real windy. We did some scraping of cores yesterday, and we worked on the truck and that and stuff. And so today we got another project. I get to drive the gray truck. My man E.T. is gonna drive this. You see it's empty now. We're gonna go load it up. I'll get back with you. All right, folks, here we go. This is going to be fun. I've never drove an escort vehicle before, but I think it's pretty simple. We got a little yellow flashing light on top. You can't see that, but and I got my flag here. So when we come back, I'll be in front of him with the flag, make stop or whatever we got to do. So, all right, we'll get over here and get loaded, and I'll get back with you.
Looks beautiful.
That's funny. All right, folks, here we go. We're getting the big kobelco loaded. Sorry about the wind. As you can see, the tracks just barely catch the trailer. She's a thick girl, y'all. All right, folks, so we got it loaded. Now we just got to put a bunch of chains on it. All right, there you go. We'll put some chains on it. I'll get back with you. Alright folks, we got it back. Sorry about the wind noise again. Just got to get him unloaded here. This is kind of maybe a little bit sketchy. But my man's pretty good at what he does. So you'll know this is the Kobelco SK210. It's a pretty good sized machine. Look at this bucket. Yeah. So there you have it, folks. We got her here. Hopefully the wind's gonna die down and we'll get to use it in a minute. Got a couple of trees we're gonna take down. That'll be fun. We gotta wait for the wind to die down, so that's what we're doing now. Transstar 2 putting in the work, folks. We'll check out his backing up skills. Been a pretty good day so far. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to classify him as a truck driver. Like a glove? Alright folks, I got kicked off the tractor. We got back with the track hoe, the excavator, and we're waiting on the wind to die to knock a tree down, so my man E.T. is going to show me how to use the grader box. Got the Massey 150 out here doing work. It rained and it made a big gully down through the gravels all the way down through there, so he's gonna take the little Massey and make the gully not there no more. Folks, so we got the rock all graded out, looking good. Gully's gone, it's flat where it's supposed to be, and now we're moving dump trucks back. Got this one back already, this one's coming in. The green Mac, we call that one the green Mac, and that one's called the white Mac. We're real particular about their names. Walk over and see how close this is. Yeah, my man ET, he's pretty good at what he does. See this side. Oh yeah. Yippee. Then we got a backhoe coming back. Oh. I gotta go get my backhoe now. Well, it's not really mine. It's the one I was told to drive. So anyway, looks like that. Here we are, folks. The 580 Super M. Cab unit. Nice in the winter and summer. Keep the elements out. Oh, brake. There we go. Guess we'll just back up. Every time we do anything, we gotta move 10 things to get one. Try not to tear up everything. All right, folks, there you got it. And we just hit the key. One click. Only one click. If you turn it 2 clicks, it runs the battery down, and then they fuss at you when they go to use it again. So make sure just one click. Okay, folks, the fun's about to start. We got this tree right here. Goes all the way up there. We got a barn there, and then the shop's over here on this side, right? So we're gonna take this machine, knock said tree down. So I'm just gonna film watching what he's doing because I've never seen it before, so this should be pretty exciting. The septic line. amazing how many roots a tree has. Look at all of them. What he's gonna do, he cuts all the roots in the bottom, and then he's gonna be able to just push it over with the machine, and hopefully it just falls the way he wants it to. So that's what's happening now. Well, folks, sorry about that. I was walking around the machine, and by the time I got around, the tree went down. So there you go. All right, folks, there you go. You get the idea of what's going on. He's going to, all the loose dirt he'll fill the hole back up with. We'll probably have to get another couple of scoops of dirt, but now we're going to get chainsaws out, of course, and well, cut that mess up. And luckily we only got to pack the wood to right there, so it won't be too bad. But so right now we're sawing the big limbs off of it. We'll get that done. We're going to use the excavator to move the stump out of the way. And then we're gonna cut all the limbs off and cut it up for wood, firewood. There's an outdoor furnace in that building over there, and we're gonna load that up. So yeah, I'll keep you posted as we go. Watch him on the power line. Ho! What do you think, boss?
Chain.
Chain. All right, folks, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna chain the stump to the excavator and then drive the excavator really far away and dump this off. And yeah, so. All right, folks, so just like that, we got him chained up. Now all we gotta do is move it. All right, folks, so my man ET said get in this thing. I'm about to get in it. I don't know how. I've drove this thing once, so here we go. All right, folks, here I go. I'm not gonna film while I'm doing this. This is what it looks like. I got the buttons and the controls.
We'll come get it in the rain.
All right, so I can't work the camera and do this at the same time. So this is what it looks like. If something cool happens, I'll film it. Okay, bye. All right, folks, so I made it about halfway so far. I'm still going. I haven't torn anything up yet. Still got my stump. We just had to open the gap. And don't touch the metal part. Listen. She's red hot, folks. Red hot. Look, he said drive straight. I'm gonna drive straight. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh. Oh, gotta put the thing down. I'm driving with my hands today, folks. You can use your feet, but I'm using my hands instead. It's just more control. We'll get through here and then I gotta get out and shut the gap back. Not a lot of room in this cab, but it serves its purpose, so there you go. All right, getting in and out sucks too. I don't know what happened there. Now it's making a lot of noise. My jacket hung on something. All right, I gotta shut this back because it's gonna take a while, so I don't know if the cows will get out or not, but you know, we don't want to chase cows, so here we go. Well, I thought it was gonna spark, but it didn't, did it? All right, you get the idea. I gotta put you down, I can't hook it. Okay, bye. All right, folks, so there you got it. We dumped it off. I forgot to show you where we put it. It's all right, you know, it's just not hooked up anymore, so you get the idea, but now we got to push the rabbit button. We're on our way back to park the machine. And it's been a lot of fun driving the excavator. This is a giant machine that I am probably not supposed to be in, but as long as I'm just driving and not working that too much, not too bad. So we're gonna do something else in a little bit. I'll get back with you. All right, folks, well, there you have it. I got the Kobelco SK210 back in its parking place. We got the tree hauled to the back. I hear the chainsaw running. I'm gonna go real slow getting back over there. Hopefully I don't have to work the chainsaw, you hear me? Well, folks, you get the idea. It's a tree, now we gotta cut it up. They got most of it cut, so they got a wagon load of brush. I don't know if y'all can see or not, it's getting dark. But right now, I'm gonna end it off there, and if y'all could, subscribe and like, and I'll make another video after this one. I know it's been a while, but yeah, we'll get to it. We'll get to it, we'll get better. It's starting to warm up now, summertime's coming, all the videos are coming. We're gonna have tractors and excavators and cars and trucks and, you know, whatever we can find, we're gonna make a video about it. I'm gonna try to put something together. So if y'all just bear with me, we're gonna leave it at that for now. We'll see you, bye.